me. During our Perugia Deruta tour after a morning in Perugia, we head to the countryside outside of Deruta to be with our wonderful rural friend Giuseppa, who cooks up rural goodness, all of the foods made with ingredients raised on the land. Stuart and Joanne recently joined me for a Giuseppa rural banquet in the Deruta countryside. Enjoy these photos, which give an idea of the wonders, and there are a couple short videos to describe as well. Okay, ready? See. Allora, here we are at Giuseppa's, and here's the capocolo that we tasted for lunch. Was it good?
Oh, it was so good.
I loved it. And Stuart said if he'd known that there were all these prosciutti, he would have had more. Here's some here that are 2 or 3 years old, and there's this year's prosciutti over there. And there's nothing like lunch with Giuseppa. Grazie, Giuseppa. And now we have to leave Giuseppa's house. After our wonderful lunch of homemade fettuccine, made with her eggs, her flour, the beet sauce with her veal, raised by her calf, her tomato sauce, right? What else? Carrot was in it, celery was in it. Then what did we have? Stuffed veal.
Stuffed veal. First we had capicola, prosciutto.
As we, antipasto, homemade wine. Swiss chard from their garden with the 2 meats, the cake she made, the dessert wine, Vinsanto. So this is Giuseppa's house in the Deruta countryside right here. And over here is an old house, 17th century, which belonged in her family and is waiting for restoration. And it was right under the old house in a cellar that we viewed the wonderful prosciutti. So now all we can say, good, delicious prosciutti. Now all we can say is mille grazie, Giuseppa. Grazie. A memorable afternoon near Deruta. Grazie. Ciao. Ciao, ciao.